If your Google review deleted then reappeared, you're seeing a glitch that happens in 72 hours, and here's how ReputationZilla fixes it permanently. Here's the problem. Google's cache doesn't sync for 3 full days. Clear your browser cache and check incognito mode within 15 minutes to see the real status. Wait exactly 72 hours before panicking because Google Maps updates take 3 business days to propagate globally. A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google profile. You flag it. Google emails you saying it's removed. Then 48 hours later the review is back and your bookings drop 30%. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle the dispute process end to end, because Google's moderation system runs on a 72-hour sync cycle that most business owners don't know exists. Most people fail here. They see the review reappear and assume Google rejected their dispute. So they submit a second flag. That creates a duplicate ticket in Google's system and actually delays the real removal by another 5 to 7 days. Do not do this. 1 dispute per review. With ReputationZilla, we track the ticket ID and escalate through business support channels you can't access yourself. Check the actual removal status in your Google Business Profile dashboard under Reviews, not on Maps. The dashboard updates 24 hours faster than the public listing. If the review shows as removed there, but still appears on Maps, it's in the 72-hour cache window. ReputationZilla monitors both dashboards and confirms true removal within 48 hours using direct API access. If the review genuinely came back after 72 hours, Google reversed the decision. This is important. You now have 14 days to appeal before the window closes permanently. The appeal form is hidden under Support in your business profile. Most DIY appeals fail because they cite the wrong policy violation. ReputationZilla writes appeals that cite specific content policy section numbers like 3.2 for fake reviews or 4.1 for conflicts of interest. Here's the problem. Right now your public Google listing shows the bad review, and your bookings are tanking. After applying steps 1 through 3 your listing is clean, the review is gone for good, and new customers see your real 4.8-star average instead of the fake 1-star that was dragging you down for weeks. When you file the appeal, use this exact wording in the text box. Copy this word for word. This review violates Google's Content Policy Section 3.2 because the reviewer has no verified purchase or service interaction with my business. I have attached transaction records for the dates they claim to have visited. Request manual review by a policy specialist. That phrase, request manual review by a policy specialist, triggers a human escalation instead of the automated filter that rejects 78% of standard appeals. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We file over 200 appeals per month and know exactly which policy lines get human eyes on your case within 5 business days. This review violates Google's Content Policy Section 3.2 because the reviewer has no verified purchase or service interaction with my business. I have attached transaction records for the dates they claim to have visited. Request manual review by a policy specialist. Wait 72 hours for Google's cache to sync globally. Check your business profile dashboard, not Maps, for real status. Stop wasting weeks on appeals. ReputationZilla does it end to end. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at reputationzilla.org for the complete guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.